For the next DIY, I picked up this great frame from the Dollar Tree. It's very ornate. It is plastic, but it's got so much charm and detail. And it's also got a star print on it. So I thought, ooh, this might be cute for the 4th of July. So I am just going to simply take it apart and I want to paint it and then use a window decal from the Dollar Tree to make some 4th of July art. I am going to spray paint this. It is white with a gold trim. I want mine to be a blue color with a white trim. There is the border around the inside has stars on it, and so that kind of inspired me to do blue and white on this one. And this isn't like a really dark navy color of spray paint. It is more of a dark blue. I think this turned out really pretty. There are lots of little nooks and crannies on here, so I had to make sure that I got my spray paint into all of them. I thought spray paint would just be the easiest way to paint this for sure. And then for the background, I want to use some red burlap. So I'm just going to take a scrap piece of this red burlap from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut it out a little bit larger than I need here where I can cut it down to size, just using a chalk pencil to kind of map out the size on that. I didn't really need to iron it. It might have made cutting it a little bit easier, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the rectangular shape. I thought having the blue and white frame and having the red burlap background would look really cute behind the window decal, and it wouldn't be too crazy because I'm going to attach the window decal to the glass itself, so I don't think that the red will show through the window decal too much. That looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and attach it with some Mod Podge. So I just go over the back of the cardboard on the frame and simply cover that piece of it, stretching the burlap out to cover the entire thing. Making sure it lays flat, and I had to attach a little bit more Mod Podge to one side to make that happen. Once I get it glued on there and dried, I can just flip it over and cut off any excess burlap so it will still fit into the frame. Now, I did think about not putting a back on this since I am using a window decal. I could have like a sign that you could see all the way through, but I really wanted to use it as a frame and use the stand. So I decided to give it a fun texture for a background using the red burlap. So I'm just going to clean the glass that came on it, and we're going to use this American Vibes window decal. I thought this was really cute with a little smiley face and the peace sign. And I'm just going to simply apply that to the glass itself. And I think that's going to look really cute. Now for the frame, I want to bring out all the great details on this. So I'm just taking some white acrylic paint and a makeup sponge and dragging it all over all of the fun details. Now you can see that great star pattern on the middle section that frames it out, that really makes it look patriotic. But I also go over all of the ornate detail on here as well. And I think that really made it so pretty. I know it's a plastic frame, but I think it just looks so nice when I am done distressing it. And see how much character distressing it, making it two-tone like that really brings it out. See the star pattern on there? I think that's really cute. Now that I have that painted and dried, I can go ahead and add my glass to it. I notice the glass that's in there a little funny, so I'm going to try to move that over a little bit. So it will be centered, and then I place that in there and my burlap covered back to the frame. I can just go ahead and reattach that back here. And I'm going to use the stand itself to stand this up, and just a really simple little patriotic sign. I absolutely love how it turned out. And I love the American Vibes little window decal. I think that's super cute. I just get it exactly where I want it. Since it's on glass, it should stay on there just fine. And I like the contrast of the red burlap there in the background. It just makes it look a little bit more high end, I think.